Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the Baby Brezza parts in front of you. Start by placing the base on a stable, level surface. Once done, remove the water tank and fill with filtered water to the min/max line. This ensures consistent flow and prevents overheating. Make sure the formula container is dry and free of debris. Attach it to the hopper slot so the dispenser aligns. Plug the machine in now so electronics initialize while you continue assembling the next components. You'll now install the formula hopper and dispensing funnel. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, because a tight seal prevents jams. Once attached, slide the mixing cup and drip tray under the nozzle. This aligns the pour path so powder and water meet correctly. Now program the formula scoop size and water ratio using the control dial or app. This controls concentration and prevents overthick feeds. Make sure to test one small dispense to confirm alignment and settings. You're ready to finish. Run a rinse or a warm water test dispense to purge dust and verify temperature. Observe the mixture for consistent texture. This tells you the water-to-powder blend is correct. If everything pours smoothly, secure any external covers and set your preferred temperature. If the unit shows an error or clogs, power off immediately. Dislodge powder clumps from the funnel, dry parts fully, and reassemble. This step usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.